8 degrees?
Yeah, temperature's still in the 60s. It's super mild out, and we had a high of 87, which is actually above normal. I can count the number of times that's happened this month on my hand. It's been such a cool July. 82 is our normal high, so we went well above that, our record 100. So we didn't meet that today. Not going to see that anytime soon, though I am talking about some big-time heat moving in just in time for us to finish out July. But out there right now, still really mild. Upper 60s, winds are a little breezy, gusting up still near 20 miles an hour. So we're still trying to get that wind coming in from the northwest, so coming in from the ocean, and that'll continue to cool us down. It'll also continue to bring in some cloud cover, and so that will be the big difference tomorrow. Is when you wake up, you'll notice a few more clouds around in the morning, but we will get rid of them, but it will bring in some changes for us. So lows tonight down to 62 degrees, clouds will increase, and that's where we'll start off tomorrow morning. In fact, you can see all that cloud cover just off the coast, already pushing on into the coast and into the coast range, so it will have a tough time making it through the mountains. But the one area of weakness for us is the Columbia River, and so we'll see this cloud cover build on down into northern portions of the valley, including Portland, up towards Longview, Kelso. Those areas will wake up to the cloud cover, which means we'll warm up a little bit more slowly, so it won't be quite as warm tomorrow as it was today, but I still think we'll make it to around 80 degrees. So it's still going to be warm, it's still going to be feeling like summertime, and it's still going to be just beautiful. So we start off in the low 60s, mostly cloudy. By 10 a.m. we're getting out of the cloud cover. And by the time we get into the afternoon, we're just gorgeous. Sunshine, highs in the low 80s, and then we'll get into the evening hours, and it'll be a little bit cooler than it was tonight. So what to expect this week? Morning clouds for your Tuesday. Not as hot as it was today, but we gear up for the hottest temperatures of July. You know, we haven't even seen 90 degrees. 89, we hit that once this July, but we're looking at highs getting into the 90s both Thursday and Friday. And if you don't like that kind of heat, I got a couple of options for you. First, the extreme heat isn't going to last long, so if you just hang on into the weekend, I think you'll be good. And also, you can head to the coast because we are not going to see that heat get there anytime soon. Take a look at today. This is from Astoria. We start off with the cloud cover. We even had that drizzle around. We had to wait till almost 1 in the afternoon to get that sunshine going, and then we saw it for a few hours. And then, of course, just in time for that sun to go down, clouds are rolling back in, and then we're watching for patchy drizzle there again. Same thing as you head down towards Newport, Lincoln City. So we'll wake up to that chance for some patchy drizzle in the morning, and then highs there in the mid to upper 60s. Meanwhile, inland, we're back into the middle and upper 80s across southern portions of the valley, where we'll see more sunshine, and then low 80s for southwest Washington and Portland. Central and eastern Oregon, we're back to the low to mid 90s tomorrow, and then back through the gorge, 84 in Hood River, 91 at the Dalles, and we'll see those nice westerly winds to keep the good wind going for the kite surfers out there out on the river for tomorrow afternoon. Temperature trend. So as we head through the rest of this week, we have a brief little cool down tomorrow, very, very minor. Thursday, see how this starts to arc up to the north there? That's high pressure building in, and so Thursday, Friday, bring in that warmer air. Here we are Saturday, and now it's starting to take that dip. That means cooler air moving in from the northwest. It means a little more cloud cover, and temperatures going back to around normal and a little bit below. So a brief warm up for us, and then it's kind of back to that typical Pacific Northwest summertime weather as we head into the weekend. So the weekend looking pretty nice. So your 7-day forecast, low 80s tomorrow, upper 80s Wednesday, all about the 90s Thursday and Friday. And then we cool it back down again for the weekend. Low 80s Saturday, Sunday in the upper 70s. I had some folks asking me, hey, I heard it's going to be 100 degrees this weekend. No, we'll get that out of the way. Okay. Not even triple digit heat.
Friday's going to be the warmest
But
day.
Friday will be hot, and then Saturday we get some relief just in time for the outdoor plans this weekend.
That's fine.
So it looks good.
Thanks, Kristen. Still ahead.